Yo, let's be real here. Gray sweats on men, it's like leggings on women. It is a legit thirst trap. I've said it over and over and over again. And if you don't have a good pair of gray sweats already, I don't know what to tell you. That's the first thing you should buy. Then come back into this video because I'm going to show you 5 killer outfits that you can pull off with gray sweats. So not only are you comfortable, but you can legit wear them all the time. Now, to be fair, this was kind of luxe. It is cashmere. So if you're going to go buy one, do what I did. Go super premium because this is a piece you're going to be wearing all the time. Let's hop into it. Number 1, I call this one the Wolf of Wall Street. One of my favorite ways to pull it off. I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah, this right here, it's straight from the 80s. This looks good, bro. And the good thing with this fit is that when you combine it with that button-down shirt, it's almost like you're dressing up gray sweats. And it looks pretty dope. Add some white tube socks, grab a white tee, tuck it in, tie your sweatpants, throw on some white sneakers, whether they're Air Force Ones or Reeboks, and you're good to go. This fit, it's lethal. Number 2, wear it as a legit tracksuit. Now, if you're lucky and you're able to find a top that matches your gray sweats, wear the entire tracksuit. It looks more athletic. It's super comfortable. Pair it with some basic white sneakers. This is like your go-to fit that you can wear daily, and it's just gonna be, bro, it's gonna be crazy comfortable. Now, this one's a little bit unfair. Like, yo, this is legit cashmere. Like, when I wear this tracksuit, I feel like I got a blanket on me. I'm not even over exaggerating here. Like, it feels like I'm wearing a blanket. This is premium. And this is where this gets good. This amazing tracksuit, yes. This bad boy's from Essentials. Of course it's from Essentials. It looks so good. The fit's so perfect. Yo, and this is dropping March 20th with the rest of our Essentials collection, which, as you can see in the back, yo, this color palette that we did for Essentials, this tracksuit, it comes in 4 colors, including gray, black, and several others. And the cool part is that you don't have to buy the entire tracksuit. You can buy it as separates. We're gonna be selling the hoodie and the pants separately because honestly, they both look good. Right now, I'm wearing the hoodie, I kid you not, with jeans. Look how luxe this looks. I feel so comfortable in this hoodie. Mark my words right now. These cashmere tracksuits are going to fly off the shelves. Matter of fact, I want you to go right now. Go to Neiman Marcus, Saks, go whatever website. Just put cashmere tracksuit or cashmere joggers. I kid you not. They'll cost you $2, $3, $4. I've seen cashmere tracksuits that cost up to $3,000. You already know with Essentials that wasn't gonna cut it. Not only did I make them crazy affordable, they are going to fly at these price points because of how great they fit and how amazing. This is like luxury at this point. It is luxury on your skin. You're not gonna wanna miss it. So matter of fact, right now, let's take a pause from this video. I know it's a great video. You wanna keep watching it, but let's pause, grab your phone, pull out your reminders tab, and put a reminder right now. March 20th, 10 a.m. Eastern, you gotta be there. You gotta be one of the first ones there. Our stores get flooded with 400,000 plus people on opening day. This is why the servers start crashing, checkout carts crash. It's so hectic that a lot of people have stuff in their carts, it crashes, and by the time they add it again, it's already sold out. I don't want that to be you. All right, I do not want that to be you. So put a reminder on your phone, March 20th, this Essentials drop. You're not gonna wanna miss. Number 3, probably one of the most common ways I've been wearing the tracksuit lately, it's with the top coat. Bro, if you wanna level up your gray sweats, pair them with the top coat. This is a move not a lot of people will do. And I know it's starting to get a little bit warm, but if a cool day slips in, try this out. Now, if you're going to do this, pair it with an oversized overcoat. These not only feel a little bit more comfortable, it's also going to allow you to be able to layer a thicker tracksuit or a thicker jogger underneath without it actually looking uncomfortable. So an oversized overcoat plus fitted gray joggers, this is a lethal combination. Number 4, pair it with just a basic white tee. Sometimes, see, when it comes to style, simplicity wins. Sometimes you don't have to be intricate. You don't need the top coat. You don't need that denim shirt. Basic white tee will do. Now, because you're going for this sporty vibe or sporty fit, I like more of a drop shoulder or oversized fit with this particular look. So here I'm wearing an oversized basic white t-shirt. Super simple. The fit is phenomenal, but it brings the fit together. The oversized fit also makes it comfortable, especially paired with your basic gray joggers. And the cool part is that these are, since they're cashmere, they're super luxe. So ain't nobody gonna tell you nothing. Nobody's gonna think you just rolled out of bed. Of course not. You don't roll out of bed in cashmere. And if you do, bro, you're a baller like that. And finally, number 5, pair it with the bold sweater. This combination is great. So here you can wear whatever sneaker you want, whatever you're crazy about. Throw on your gray sweats and then bring in some color. So gray, it's a neutral color which allows you to play with a lot of crazy bold colors. I love my strong oranges or burnt oranges or greens or blues. Here I'm wearing that burnt orange or orange color, which looks phenomenal paired with gray. And again, levels up your basic gray sweats. See, most guys wear gray sweats super lazy or don't realize that it's an actual style piece. You have a legit secret weapon when you have gray sweatpants. Not only are they a thirst trap, they look amazing when you pair them right in the correct outfit. And this outfit, yo, that's a killer fit. I'd wear this outfit any single day, and I promise you, you'd get compliments in this thing. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. And also, don't forget, March 20th, our Essentials launch happens. And these gray sweats, and all our sweats, especially the cashmere line, it's going to fly at these price points. I don't want you to miss it.